One unique capability on Insight 7 is the ability to generate visual diagrams from your data. And so the journey map is a popular one. You could turn your data into insights and visualize those insights across a customer journey. We could just use one of the templates here. So customer success journey map. On the data set I have, I would just click on create journey map. We'll see what that looks like in a bit. My journey map is back, and you can see here on the left column, I have needs, pain points, recommendations, and on the top row, I have the stages of my journey map. In this particular case, the customer journey. What are the customer needs across this journey? So you can see here, the product's intuitive design has made it easy for users to understand and use. This is happening on the onboarding phase. And you can see here for advocacy, customer support is highly valued by users. And if I scroll down, I'll be able to see the pain points and see where the most friction is. You can see here at the retention stage, there's a lot of friction, more pain points here to pay attention to. There's a lack of a structured process for regularly gathering customer feedback. If I scroll down, we also present some recommendations, some ideas for how you can tackle some of those problems or work on some of those opportunities. It's easy to download this journey map. It's PDF or CSV file for sharing, and also share the direct link to the journey map for teammates or stakeholders to visualize. You can also generate other maps like mind maps, empathy maps, but let's take a look at what a mind map looks like. Once I click on the mind map, it would analyze the data and it will help me visualize the key ideas in the data. So there you have it. I have a mind map that's been generated from the data. I can visualize all the key ideas and how they are interconnected on this set of conversations. And we're adding more visual maps to the platform. And so if there's any kind of visualization you'd like to see, please let us know and we can easily add it to the platform.